Good afternoon to our channel English with Akram, and once again we have gathered for the debate. And topic of the debate is plastic is boon or ban. The team sitting on my right will speak in the favor of plastic, and the team sitting on my left will speak against the plastic. So let's start.
So, hello everyone. Today, I would like to speak about the plastic should be banned in the whole over the world or not. So, well, I personally believe that plastic should be banned because it is harming the human health, it is harming the environment, it is harming the animals as well as. And if I talk about the how we made plastic, you know that in if we want to make plastic, so we waste our natural precious resources like petroleum, crude oil, a lot of electricity and a lot of water, and these are in limited amount. And how we are wasting these all the natural resources to make the harmful substance. So it is not making any sense, like we are wasting our natural resources. We have to save these resources for our future generation as well as, but we are wasting to making the harmful substance which is harming our environment, which is harming the animals as well as.
So, hello everyone. Today we all know that we are doing debate on a very phantasmagorical topic, and the topic is should plastic be banned or not? Well, I personally believe that plastic should not be banned. So, let's talk about it. So, my first argument is gonna start from a simple question, that is, can we really replace plastic with iron, copper, aluminium, or even wood? So, the answer is no. Because if we see the sustainable development, plastic came just to replace these all things, because our scientists, our inventors knew that we have to do this, because if we want to save our limited metals, so we have to do this. That's why they invented the plastic. And as for the pollution, I would like to say here that plastic is not living thing, means it can't walk, it can't go. So how are we blaming on plastic that it is polluting our ocean, it is polluting our land, this and that? I don't think so. Humans are doing this kind of thing, so why are we blaming? If we want to clean our environment, we have to recycle the plastic, we have to throw it in the recycling bin. We are not doing so. It's not the fault of plastic at all. Yes.
So you are mentioning that plastic is it is not affecting the water, it is not affecting the marine life. It is affecting a lot. 80% of the microplastic you will find in the ocean, and there is just 10% of the plastic which you can recycle. There is 90% of the plastic which you can't recycle. And I would say that people has become greedy because they just want to earn money. They don't know what is right and what is wrong. When they will not have plastic, so how people throw their plastic on the ocean, in the ocean, and on the roads? And if they will not, if there is no plastic, so people will not get diseases.
Sister, I didn't get that. Why are you saying that people are greedy? Means because of this, what's the connection of greediness with the plastic? If you see, the cost of plastic is less than other metals. Means if you see the steel bottle or plastic bottle, definitely the cheaper will be plastic one. Why are you saying that people are greedy? If they are greedy, so they will use stainless steels and all. They will sell these all kind of things. And on the other hand, Nas was saying, and even Aksa was saying, that people are polluting, means plastic is the cause of pollution and all. I have already given the answer that plastic is not polluting our environment. Humans are polluting. Our government is polluting. That's all. And Ruqayya, we was saying about petroleum, that petroleum is being wasted because of plastic. It's not like this, sister. Do you know, according to American Council, aircrafts, 22% of aircrafts are being made of plastic. And because of this, we are able to save 15% of fuel every year. So that's the reality of plastic. That's your misconception, so please clear it.
So I would say that petroleum is in limited amount, and we are wasting petroleum to make harmful substance. I was saying this thing. And I would say that titanium, it's a lightweight metals which we can use in the place of the plastic. And second point mine is about the microplastic. You know that when plastic breaks down, it breaks down into microplastic, which is harming our human cells, liver, blood, and the kidney as well as. So see that children, they eat food from the outside, and it is harming their life, because you can see that cancer is becoming normal day by day because of plastic is one of the reasons of getting diseases.
Okay, as you are saying about titanium, titanium is a metal which is in limited amount, so we can't use it.
Titanium is a metal which is light.
Okay, I agree. And if you were saying about that, we can't, means what were you saying? Okay. As she was saying about that petroleum is still wasting because of plastic. I don't agree. Sister, I have told you that plastic is lightweighted, and to mold it, to melt it,
Okay,
we just
okay.
need few fuel.
Nothing
to use
is
this thing.
Arey, nothing is more important than your life. If you live, then you can use plastic. If you don't live, then how you can use plastic?
Sister, do you know about deforestation? Most of the people think that we can replace plastic with wooden things. I don't agree here because still, according to World Bank, millions of trees are being cut every year, and it is. And if there will not be, if there is no any kind of material which is being called plastic, so definitely deforestation will increase. Means diseases will increase, and these all things are happening because
You know
of
that when
deforestation and all.
when people makes plastic, so it takes hundred of years to decompose, and when we grow a plant, so it takes just 15 years to grow. So see which time is less. Of course the plant's time is less, so if we have to see the less time. So it is taking a lot of time to decompose.
It's not like this,
It
sister.
is like this.